Hi folks, what a lovely evening. I'm in Los Cristianos here in Tenerife and it's time to go and get something to eat, and I really fancied an Indian all day long. My speciality that I love is always shish kebab, and I love a lamb madras as well. I might be regretting it in the morning, but I did notice somewhere around this roundabout when I got out of a taxi earlier on, I did notice that there is an Indian restaurant. It's not that far away. I can't remember the name of it. I think it was something Delight. Anyhow, let's go and have a search. I've got a feeling it's up here. It's either up there or up. I think it's this way.
No, don't kick brother, please. No. Stop. Go sit down and eat. It's okay. He's just checking us.
It's a Mongolian restaurant there. Mongolian barbecue buffet. I'm sure there was an Indian somewhere here. Could be wrong. That's it. It is. It's called Delight.
No viene lo de menos, lo que estamos hablando de la línea, ¿no?
Yes, I'm going to give it a go. I think I've been here once before. Yeah, I'm going to go for the lamb seekh kebab, and I'm staying with the lamb theme tonight. I'm going to have the lamb madras with pila rice. Just looking around now, I have been here. It must be at least, 5 years ago since I've been in here. I love Indian food, and I think the first time I ever had Indian food was back in the early 70s. When I mean Indian food, I was going to a restaurant, and it was a restaurant in Liverpool called the U&I. And ever since I've been going to that U&I over the last 50 something years, I always have the same dishes. I mean, I look at the size of that menu, but I keep getting the same dishes. I used to be able to get as a starter years ago a dish called Bombay duck, which is dried fish, but for some reason it was taken off the menu a long time ago, and it doesn't matter where you go throughout the world, for some reason you just can't get Bombay duck. If anyone can tell me why you can't get Bombay duck, or if anyone knows where you can get Bombay duck, put down the comments down below. So I've gone for my usual boring traditional dishes that I always have every time I go to an Indian restaurant. The starter is lamb seekh kebab, followed by lamb madras with pila rice, and I've added a naan bread as well. And of course I'm going to wash it all down with a World Lager Cobra. As you can see, that is hot. Now I've got to say, it does look nice. It smells lovely. But what is it really like? And a mixture of that onion mixed in with the sea kebab. It's hot. As I said, I love Indian food, but I might regret this tomorrow morning. Well, I'm going to enjoy this and I'll come back to you when I get the main. See you shortly. So with the starter, the lamb sea kebab, it was okay. It's okay. It could have done with a bit more kick in it. It could have done with a bit more spice in it. The red, green pepper and the onion was cooked perfectly. It was nice. It was tasty. So just waiting now for the lamb address. Let's see what that's like. It's not really a hot dish, but I'm hoping it's not too hot. We'll have to wait and see. We're just looking at the size of the naan bread. I don't think I'm going to get through that. And the lamb address, it smells absolutely gorgeous. The sauce itself doesn't look very thick. Anyhow, the proof is in the tasting. I'm waiting for the kick. There is definitely a kick there. Now regarding the lamb itself, is it going to be chewy? I hate lamb when it's chewy. No, that definitely just melts. And I can feel a kick now as well. That lamb definitely melts. Didn't expect the naan bread to be this size. I only got the plain naan. I didn't fancy the cheese and I didn't fancy the garlic one. Especially the garlic one. I mean, I love garlic, but you never know if you're going to end up kissing somebody by the end of the night. Happy so lucky. As I said, there was no way I could eat all the naan bread, but I think I did quite well with the madras and the rice. So what do I think of my meal here at the Delhi Delights? Well, sea kebab was nice. It could have done with a bit more kick in it, but I must admit the lamb madras was absolutely gorgeous. It had that kick and the lamb was cooked perfectly. It just melted. I've had a lamb madras before in one restaurant and I was chewing the lamb forever. I had to tell them to take it away in the end. Peel of rice, it's just rice. But how much did I actually pay for this? So it was the sea kebabs, lamb madras, and peel of rice with naan bread and a Premier Lager, Cobra Lager. How much did it come to? So the Cobra beer was €3.50. The lamb sea kebab half was €6.95. The lamb madras €11.95. Peel of rice £3.50, and your plain naan was £2.75, coming to a total of £28.65. The thing I like about this is there's no service charge on it. So tell me what you think. Have you actually been to this place? Have you actually ate in this place? The Delights here in Los Cristianos. I know I have been here definitely once before. So tell me what you think. I must admit, going back to the food, I must admit the lamb sea kebab was okay. I thought it needed a bit more kick, but I did really enjoy the lamb madras. So let me know in the comments, have you been here before? Do you know of any other Indian restaurants here in Los Cristianos? I know when I was here a while back, people told me to go to different ones right down at the front, but I'm too far up in Los Cristianos to be travelling all the way down there. Maybe another night. So put down in the comments, what do you think of the food? What do you think of this place? Have you ate here before? I'm moving on now to somewhere else to do another review about food. If you want to know what that is, you'll have to watch the next video. I'll catch you in that video. Thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, don't forget to give this one a thumbs up, a like, a share, of course, hit that notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in that next video. Thanks for watching. See you later.